Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So guys, by seeing the video's title itself, you all might have received a basic idea that about which topic we are gonna discuss today. So this particular video is not only helpful for the employees who are in their recession or else in layoff, but also to the students who are pursuing their UG or else a PG level. So guys, do share this video with the students so that they can earn their passive income while studying. So guys, let's not waste our time. Let's dive into our today's topic. Before that, as I was announcing you all earlier that I'll be starting with the MongoDB playlist. So guys, the first video of the MongoDB playlist is out now. You can check out the video and do support the channel. So let's now start with our discussion. So guys, we all already know that Twitter have nearly fired 50% of its employees, and even Cognizant have fired nearly 1200 employees and gave a report that many of them were having a fake experience. And even there is a rumor that TCS also have nearly fired 300 employees with fake experience. So guys, we cannot even tell anything to the companies as well, because many companies are going to the losses, or they to overcome the losses and to the cost cutting, they are just firing their employees. You can even check out this particular article. Google's parent company Alphabet plans to fire nearly 10,000 poor performing employees. So just to overcome the company's losses, they are just firing the employees. So how can you overcome this? I have some strategies to overcome this particular layoffs and recession so that you can easily get the job. So let's start with our first strategy now. I'll just tell you the first strategy. So guys, our main strategy will be to find the freelancing jobs or also remote jobs. So guys, for that you can just check out this particular application called upwork.com. Yeah, just search for this website, and as soon as you click on this first particular website, you will be redirected to this. If you don't have an account, just create an Upwork account, which is free of cost. You don't have any charges for this. So here you can see this particular posting. So you will be getting the job posting from the whole over the world, and this is a remote job. You don't need to go to the client location and work. You can just work this from your home itself, and you can earn in dollars. So the first project you can see here, Python project, student, client and sales analysis project. So the relevant skills you will be selecting, based on that the worldwide jobs will be refreshing for each and every 6 hours. You will be getting the new job updates. You can easily apply and you can even earn money from this particular website. And guys, trust me, this is a genuine application. You can see here, this particular task might not even take almost 1 day or else 2 days. So he is ready to pay for this $30. If you are a beginner, just expect a very less so that you require more clients. When you start to get the regular clients, you can expect the high prices. Okay. So guys, this will be our first strategy. You can see here. And one more main announcement for you all. In this particular Upwork, you can see here payment unverified, and there is a 0 rating and even 0 rupees spent. Don't apply for these kind of projects, because these kind of projects might be fake. Only to apply those projects which are having this kind of ratings, and even they have the amount spent, and even it should be a payment verified badge. Okay, so guys, this is a genuine application, and even I have earned money from this particular application. And guys, those who don't have skills, I am talking about the students, especially those who don't have the relevant skills and but they want to earn money. So guys, for them there is a best opportunity from our company, which is ineuron.ai. From this company, we are providing you all an affordable courses. Normally we were providing everyone an affordable courses, but this particular month, December, we are providing 50% off on every courses. So guys, you can check out here, are all the programs are available related to tech. You can check here machine learning bootcamp, which would cost around 6,000 normal affordable price. But in this also we are giving you all a 50% off, which is 3,000 rupees with placement assistance. We'll be providing you all even the placement assistance, resume discussion and everything. So guys, you can check out this website. I'll be providing you all the link in the description. Check out, and if you are interested, let me know. Let me tell you all an example. If you want to learn data science from any other applications or else the websites, they'll charge you all nearly 40 to 50k maximum. But in our website, you can see here we have already mentioned. This is Java, DevOps, data science interview, industry ready project. You can see here full stack data science bootcamp 2.0. In this, the price is 17,700. So this is not the present price running. So this is the normal price, and in this, if you take the 50% discount, you will be getting it. So use this and learn new skills, guys. And now let us move to our second strategy. And guys, now let us move with our second application. Before that, if you want 50% off in all iNeuron.ai courses, just comment below this video. I'll be providing you all the coupons. And also guys, you can just visit my YouTube channel page and you can click on this LinkedIn icon. You will be redirecting to this particular LinkedIn page where you can even message me in LinkedIn. I'll provide you all the coupons, so you can use that particular opportunity. And now let us move with our second application, which is Fiverr.com. Just search for Fiverr.com. So guys, you can see here, this is the genuine application. Even from here you can earn the freelancing jobs, as well as you can earn the remote contract jobs also. So in this you can see here, he has created a post. I'll do machine learning project, deep data analysis. So just create your gigs and just provide the payment, how much you are expecting for the projects. So the clients will by themselves reach to you, and even you have an option to apply. So if you want to know how to create these gig posts in Fiverr, just comment below this video. I'll create a separate video how to create a Fiverr account and even how to create a gigs or else the seller account postings in Fiverr.com. So in this also you can see here, even he have earned nearly well amount, I guess. Just let us check with his ratings once. So you can see here 32 projects he have done until now. So one is from Netherlands. You can see here high recommended, great work, fast delivery. So you can check out the reviews also. Even many of them are earning money from Fiverr.com also. You can use this opportunity also and you can earn from Fiverr.com. Now let us move with our third application. So guys, our third application will be LinkedIn.com. So many of them will think that getting job in LinkedIn is difficult, and if you just check out this job session, there will be many job openings, but selecting in that particular companies will be difficult, but there are high probabilities of getting selected if you keep applying. LinkedIn is like an application where if you showcase yourself more and more, and if you just try to publish yourself, recruiters will directly reach out to you also. If not only you don't need to apply to them, but also sometimes if the recruiters are interested in your profile, they'll reach out to you, apply for providing you the jobs. You can even keep showcasing yourself in this particular LinkedIn.com. And also there is an option called hashtag hiring. Just search for this particular hashtag in this search icon, and you can see here hashtag hiring is available. Here every day you will be getting new job posts. So you can check out this particular job posts. This is from Pakistan, where they require a delivery operational analyst. You can check out that particular job posts, and even some company job posts also will be available here. You can apply to that particular companies also. You will be even getting remote jobs as well as even work from home jobs and freelancing jobs. You can start to apply at this particular session. But guys, the main issue in LinkedIn will be that many of the posts will be updated by the consultancies, and if they are going to ask you some membership fees or else the payment before for ID card and some processing and all, just don't get into that particular trap and don't pay money. Just keep applying to those jobs, and if it is a consultancy, just end the call, and if it is not a consultancy, if the genuine company, you will get the job easily. Just keep applying, publishing yourself in LinkedIn.com. So guys, that's all for today's video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel, and don't waste your time. This computer science field is only like, you should keep learning and you should keep upgrading your skills. Parallelly, you should keep applying for the jobs. This particular field is like continuous learning process in your entire life. So guys, thank you. That's all. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Bye bye.